Here we have a Makita DTM50. It's not going. So I'm going to get into it and see what's going on with it. Right, here goes. Right, now I got this open. We'll have to see what's going on to see if there's any connectivity between the battery connector and the switch. So it could be the motor, could be the switch, could be the controller. So first of all, we'll test the connectivity to the switch. The red wire is connected to the switch. The black wire is not showing any connectivity to the switch. We can test the switch itself by switching it on and testing if there's any connectivity between these two. Which there is, so the switch is fine. And the motor looks fresh. And the guy that owns this told me that she just stopped, so I'm suspecting this controller. So bear in mind it's the black wire that's creating the problem. We have black wire coming out of the controller and black wire going in. I have peeled that back a little bit till I testing. So if I connect to that and connect to that, let's get a good connection here. You can see you can't hear the buzz from the multimeter. No buzz, so the power is coming from there but not going through and coming out here. Right, to make sure that this wire going up to the controller is okay. Yeah, that's correct. And if you go to the other side of the controller, the black wire is the problem. Get into the controller, the power is not coming out. So I have two choices how to fix this. I can replace this controller, and that's going to cost about £65 for the repair. Or I can take a cheap fix. I can put a wire from this black wire to this black wire, but I will lose the variable speed control. It'll just be in high speed all the time, and that's what I'm going to do because that's a cheap fix. If you can see what I mean, I'll hold that closer. This black wire connecting to this black wire should fix this machine. So a wee bit of soldering to do now. So I've done that job now. I've crossed, connected, and bypassed this controller. So I'll just test the wires now to see. Both wires are showing connectivity to the switch, and we know the switch is okay, and we assume the motor's okay. So what I'm going to do now is put it all together and see if it goes. That's it back together, so I'm going to go and stick a battery in it and see how it does. Here we are. I have a DeWalt battery and an adapter on it because I can't seem to find my Makita I had earlier. I'm going to try this thing out. As I was telling you, the variable speed is now null and void. It's been bypassed. It's going anyway. So that's it fixed now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos of this type.